channel. If you guys don't remember me, my name is Chrissy. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad to be here with you guys today. Welcome to a new video. So today's video, y'all, it's all about summer and what I call my plus size hottie summer survival kits. I did this video on my Instagram and on my TikTok and I loved it over there. So I was like, I need to show for my girls. I need to bring my girls the goods over here on YouTube. So I'm so excited to show you guys all my favorite products. Y'all know I cannot stand summer. It's so hot. I hate being hot. I hate to sweat. Okay, I love to be like fabulous in all of my beat and my hair and all of that. So I feel like this summer I've been doing really well, and oh, I have hair on my lip, and I've been getting through the heat really well, and it's because of all of these little products that I have been using. And you may not even know that you need these until I get ready to tell you that you need these, okay? So you guys are interested in seeing that, keep watching. But first, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, or maybe you unsubscribe because you thought it was gonna be posted anymore. Go and subscribe again, okay? Your girl is here. Also, don't forget to comment down below, say hello, some products you guys have been using to survive this summer heat, and let's jump right into it. Okay, y'all, first things first, in my plus size summer survival kit, I call this my plus size survival kit, but it can also be a survival kit for the sweaty girls because, child, I would just be, you know, we just need a little help. So my first and like honestly most important item that you need is a personal fan. You guys, I cannot be caught dead without my personal fan. If I leave this at home, I am literally suffering, or I'm hoping that I'm out with someone that has their personal fan with them. I keep them charged. I have multiple of them. They should be everywhere. They should be in your car. It should be stashed in your house. It should be in a bag. It should be in the trunk. It should have one at work. You should have one of these everywhere, especially if you're a girl that loves to keep a beat during the summertime, or loves to have like extensions and you're not wearing like a protective like style like braids or twister, something like that. You need your personal fan. This one personally I love. I got this from Amazon. It has like 10 speeds. It's super strong. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but literally gives me the best air. This is what I use when I'm out at an event, a day party, whatever, to keep my hair from sweating out, to keep my makeup on and intact. This is a absolute must-have, and it comes in a lot of cute colors, especially for the big girls. Like sometimes even when we're out and we sweat in like other places, we just gotta hit her every now and then. I have to hit her with a little 1-2 a little just to make sure that everything is staying cool, fresh, and dry. Honey, don't just sweat on my forehead, okay? And speaking of sweat and being prepared as a plus girl, especially a girly with big thighs, you need a chafing stick, okay? You need anything that is anti-chafing, whether it's a stick or it's shorts or it's like some type of home remedy. I've heard people say baby oil works. I don't know, child. I've only tried the stick and shaving shorts, especially if you're a girly that likes to wear dresses, skirts, shorts, honestly pants too, pretty much anything that can rub on your inner thighs and you have thick thighs. This is going to save your life. This is by Mega Babe. I love this one. There's also a couple other brands I like as well that have linked for you guys on my storefront. But listen, you know how when you're walking and say you're going to the amusement park or whatever and your thighs are together, you get that little sore? That's not cute, okay? We're not gonna do that this summer. Get something anti-chafing. If you're not using this yet, I promise you, you will come back to this video and you will thank me. Okay guys, next is deodorant. Like obviously everyone wears deodorant, I think, child. I don't know, some of y'all may not, I don't know. But you need to be wearing deodorant this summer, okay? And this is not the time to be trying out your like natural crystal deodorant that has no this and that. And I'm not saying don't be healthy and do all those like natural deodorants. It's just that it's like 90 to 100 degrees outside on a regular day, baby. I need you to freshen up. I'm gonna need you to have the hard stuff, okay? No one wants to be Arm & Hammer deodorant. It's like almost, oh my God, what is it called when it's for like both men and women? It's, whatever. It could be used for both men and women. It has a really great scent and it works. I actually just ran out of it because I use it all the time. But I also love this Salt and Stone deodorant. It smells, you guys, so freaking good. Just, oh my God, it smells so good. I have it in the scent Bergamot and Hinoki, and you can get this online on Sand & Stone's website. You can get this on Amazon, and also if you live near an Erewhon sells their full collection. So you guys, just, you know, you gotta be deodorant down. And if you are a natural deodorant girly, get the really small ones. Like the Crystal deodorant is small enough to like pop into your bag, and make sure you're applying, you know, off in the day, because there's nothing worse than, I mean, I don't want to say, I don't want to offend nobody, but you know, sometimes as plus size women, we have like, there's just like these negative stereotypes in the world, especially when it comes to like hygiene, because we have a lot of folds and just a lot of things going on. So there's nothing worse than a plus size girl that has a little stitch. we're gonna keep it together this summer. Okay, guys, so one of my absolute favorite hacks to staying sweat free during the summer, especially for the girls with the big boobs like myself, is boob tape. You guys, I am literally obsessed with boob tape and adhesive bras. I have been using Nude adhesive bras this summer, and I'm absolutely obsessed because it holds up my triple D's. Actually, I think I'm bigger than that. I probably need to go get size, but it holds up my big breast all day, and it keeps me sweat free. That's one of the big reasons I love personally to do boob tape during the summer, because I hate just the uncomfortableness of a bra, and then you're sweating in your bra and it's just gross. So for me, using an adhesive bra keeps my boobs up off of my stomach and allows them to be able to breathe. And you guys, Nude is a sustainable and inclusive brand. They make the process of wearing boob tape and just empowering women to love the shape of their natural breasts and let the girls be free, be perky and cute. They also make the process of putting on boob tape so easy. They have a whole kit. It's called the Hero Kit. It comes with 3 different pieces. The first, it comes with the No Show, which are their nipple covers. And just to be quite frank, I have big areolas. These work so well for me, and they do cover most of my areola, and these are reusable, so you can use them over and over again. If you guys are not using nipple covers when applying boob tape, girl, save the nipple. It's gonna make removing the boob tape so much easier for you. And of course, the kit also comes with their adhesive bras. It's literally designed to be so easy to put on. I love that it comes in different skin tones. This one actually matches me very well, as you guys can see in the video. And they have a size for every cup size, so no one is left out. Everyone can comfortably wear boob tape. The kit also comes with the shape tape, which just kind of looks like the traditional boob tape. I love to use this to kind of get like that little side part. You guys can see me applying it in the video, and this is kind of just what you use to really like shape how you want your breasts to look, especially like in a halter top or a tube top. You know, it needs to like sit a certain way. And Nude also makes it so easy to take the bra tape off. I've heard a lot of people talk about how they're afraid to use boob tape because it has torn their skin. They have their Boob Savior adhesive remover, which makes the process so easy and it's skin safe. So if you guys want to try out Nude today, I do have a 10% off code for you guys on your first purchase. That will be down below in the description box. Okay, babe, so the next item that is in my survival kit is for the girls that love to still wear their makeup during the summer but don't want to wear something like super heavy. I have been obsessed with the YSL Beauty Skin Tint. You guys, it is so good. Like, it's super light, but the coverage is still there. I literally have it on right now. The skin is skinning and the face is beat. I'm obsessed with it. I also love their primer. It's like a glow bomb illuminating primer that just gives the skin a really good glow, as you can see. So those two work really well together. Honestly, I was nervous using a skin tint because I'm like, I like my coverage, but this is like more of like a, I would say it's like a medium coverage. It's kind of buildable, but honestly, like sometimes just having on a foundation, it's just too heavy, it's too hot. So if you were a skin tint or CC cream, that's your best bet for this weather. This is just the one that I personally love and tried, and that is black girl, brown girl friendly, because it's also hard to find one that doesn't make us look a little bit ashy. Okay, next we're moving on to shapewear. For the girlies that still want to wear shapewear during the summer, I personally still have a little bit of shapewear. I tried to like go without sometimes because I just don't want extra layers on my skin, but I still like to be snatched. So I have been using the Skims Barely There shapewear recently, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not a crazy hold, it's not high compression, but that's what it's for. It's just for having on something that's a little bit of something when you want like a little bit of smoothing. And it's very thin, very lightweight, just to slip under a dress or have under your clothing when you just like need a little bit of something. I also do, I'm not gonna hold you, I do still wear my shapewear bodysuit that I love from Amazon. I'll link that for you guys below. It is like a really good Skims dupe, and to me it's not that heavy, but sometimes when it's hot you just don't want all that on your body. And you guys, last but definitely not least is this Charlotte Tilbury mini press setting powder and these mini powder puffs. It's just so cute. First, I just love like mini things, but they're such good products to keep with you in your purse. And I'm a mini bag girl, so anything that's mini that'll help me out is what I need. Personally, I love a sunglass, but when I'm out and I want to take my sunglasses off, that little crease, I just cannot stand it. So I keep this little mini powder puff, my pressed powder, put it right on in there. Boom, 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 under my under eyes, and that helps to just set my makeup again and get rid of those underlines that you get from sunglasses. Also, you can use it if you got sweaty, if you're oily. It's just two really good things to have in your kit that you may have not known that you needed. All right, babes, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I have fun doing this. I used to love doing this back when I was more consistent here on YouTube. I definitely am making it my priority to show up more for you guys because I love y'all so much and I need to be giving the girls the tips. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Nude. Remember, you guys get 10% off your first order. I will have all the information and everything linked down below in the description box. You guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch, and I will see you in my next one.